In column B, we want to write a VLOOKUP formula to return the capital city for each country. The table we need to interrogate is on a different worksheet, and we're going to ask ChatGPT to help us write the formula. On the ChatGPT webpage, we can start a conversation with the AI chatbot. It's quite impressive, really. This formula looks spot on, my friends. Let's copy and paste. Select this cell here and paste it into the formula bar. Autofill down. Our second task, we want to amend the formula back to the world's most talked about chatbot. And let's continue our conversation. Again, this formula looks pretty cool. The only problem is, we'd have to change the column index number for each column. Let's continue our chat to see if there's a better way. Wow, I must say, I'm quite enjoying this conversation. We should copy and paste this formula. Let's just confirm that the existing formula cannot be autofilled. Let's paste the amended formula into the formula bar. And now we see a problem. ChatGPT is pretty cool, but it's far from perfect. In this instance, we just need to remove the minus from the column function and autofill across and autofill down. In cell F1, if we choose a country from a drop-down list, we want all the cities and population to be listed. The data will come from another worksheet. Back to our friendly chatbot, and let's start a new conversation. Okay, ChatGPT has come up with one super duper formula. We need to copy and paste and see if it works. Paste it into the formula bar. Looks good so far. Widen our column. Let's choose a different country. This formula is fantastic. When we autofill to the right, we're not quite there yet. We can easily amend this formula ourselves. We just need to make the include array an absolute cell reference. In this cell here, we just want to add up the population. This time, we don't want a formula, we want ChatGPT to tell us if there's a keyboard shortcut we can use instead. Back on our Excel worksheet, hold down the Alt key and tap the equal sign. We can change the country. Boom shakalaka.